Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open existing document in Word. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Word software. Otherwise, you can not open this software. Go to the Start button and open the Word software. Then go to the File menu and click this Open option. Then choose Browse option. Then go to your file location and we can see here the dummy file. Now click this and click open. We can see we open the file easily. Otherwise you can open using keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl O on your keyboard. You can open another way. Here the recent file, close and open doc list. Now I select this dummy. Now we can see we open existing file very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.